Okay, sorry. All right, hey guys, I just wanted to hop on really quick and tell you guys about these two products that I honestly feel have transformed my platinum blonde hair, and you can kind of see them poking into the screen, but I just want to kind of preface the story a little bit more. Back in March, I think it was like March 28th, I officially took the full plunge to platinum blonde. I had been contemplating this for like a really long time, asking my family, my friends, like, I really want to do something different. I'm thinking blonde. I had seen blonde on this model named Tiana Parker. I think she's Tiana Parker on Instagram. I saw her platinum blonde micro braids and I just absolutely fell in love, and I was like, oh my gosh, like I really want to try this out. But I don't know, my friends and family, I feel like they're kind of playing it safe, or like they know I'm an idealist and they're like, oh, like I don't know, this isn't gonna really match your skin tone. You have dark skin. Like it's not gonna work. But anyway, either way, end of the story. It looked amazing, and so since then I've been a platinum blonde angel baby. But since then I've dyed my hair at home by myself, or not by myself, with my sister, my little sister. She's only 12 though, and so I basically just learned everything I know about, you know, hair and bleaching it and toning it online, and since March it's basically been like kind of a journey, just trying to find the right products to use. And I just wanted to talk to you guys about the two products that I honestly feel just have been the best with my hair and bleaching my hair. I probably have somewhere between a 4A to C hairstyle or curl pattern. And so this bleach, guys, worked so well. I actually used this yesterday. It's called Amplified, but I really liked how this one bleached my hair because I started out on 30 and 20 volume developers because I heard 40 was like really harsh, and like I just wanted to try, you should start kind of like not with the strongest because you don't want to damage your hair if your hair can't take it. But so when I first went to the store and the stylist recommended this, I was like, oh, this is 40 volume, like maybe I'll just put it on for 25 minutes, which I did. But something I noticed that this bleach did better than the others was it was actually more sensitive. Like it was bleaching my hair, but I didn't feel like the tingles and the burns as much. And on top of that, like sometimes when I bleach my hair, because I don't like doing the foil method, but you have to like, it takes a long time, but it's better because like sometimes when you bleach your hair, if you're bleaching it the second time to get out like more brown and like black pigment, what can happen is it can turn the tips that were already bleached previously, it can turn it kind of blue. And so that was happening sometimes, not a lot, or like you'll just have like greenish hair and then you'll have to use a bunch of toners to get it out. I bleached my hair twice and I got 0 blue, 0 green because I think it was just like a really good bleach. Like it was just a really gentle bleach. So definitely try this. I'll link it down below. I got this at Ulta, so it looked a little sketchy at first. Sorry, I used it yesterday, but I love it. I'm gonna keep using this. The next product I wanted to talk about is the hair cleansing cream, and so by Redken. This is a product that I used I've been using this for like maybe since August. And so why I really loved this hair cleansing cream is when I mix my bleach, my developer, and everything in my little like bowl, I basically put a little bit of this in there, and what it does, and it really does it really well. It's not like one of these hair products that doesn't really work. This works.
Trying to be crack, yeah, they trying to be crack, yeah, she wanna be cutty, that bitch is a baby.
But it's able to make sure that, like, for example, as you put products in your hair, it kind of builds up over time and you kind of begin to see it. Oh my God, I just got a mental picture. Or like, let's say for example, if you have that issue with your bleach and your hair is turning a little green on the tips, but then it's perfect at the roots and it's just like inconsistent, putting this in the bleach, what it does is like, while it's bleaching your hair, it's also like removing the product buildup and like the buildup of toners and everything, because I like to go for like more of a perfect platinum color. And outside, what I'm doing right now is bleaching my roots, letting my roots bleach in the sun. It's brassier just because like it looks brassier than it is because the sun is shining.
Yeah,
right.
But usually what happens is over like the next few days, maybe like 2 to 5 days, up to 5 days after I bleach. Valentine, come here. Come here. Come here. Up to 5 days. It's my dog. Come here.
I don't really want no friends now.
Up to 5 days after I bleach my hair, your hair is actually still being lightened. So sometimes I just like to sit in the sun and literally just let my hair get like lighter. And you guys will see in a few days, when I start taking pictures and everything, guys, this will just turn white.
I walk around like that bitch.
And
$1 million.
so I just wanted to share those two products because, yeah, you know, at-home hair care, the braids cost money, so I really don't have, I don't want to be in the salon hundreds of dollars bleaching it every time and then in the salon. Sorry guys, I'm gonna have to end this. Sorry guys, I had to end the video so abruptly. My phone ran out of storage again. I'm really gonna solve that issue soon, but yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed the video. And for those of you looking to also dye your hair blonde or change up your hair color, I totally recommend it. But definitely do your research on the products, because that can be the difference in damaging your hair versus a really cute style that you want. So do your research, do your reviews, and I hope that I helped some people today. Make sure to like, comment, and subscribe to my online community using the link in the description. And until next time, my loves, bye.
Bye. Have a beautiful time.